What's up, guys? Welcome back to Operation Empty Wasteland. So last episode we kind of just bounced around, and we basically just bounced around the bottom, made it our way underneath New Vegas here, kind of just made our way across. So next we're heading to Chance's map, whatever the fuck that is. There's enemies nearby apparently. Oh shit, look at that. Alright, we're gonna fucking blast this fool and then we're gonna move along. Oh, it's just one gecko. Okay, young blood. Okay, so we're using Vance's 9mm SMG. Is that what it's called? Ah, Vance's 9mm submachine gun. Sorry. Okay. So we're just gonna head on to Chance's map. So here's Chance's map. I don't really know what the fuck. Like, do we need a shovel? One sec, let me get a shovel. Okay, so we got the shovel. But it still doesn't seem like we can do anything, honestly. Oh! That's just magnum ammo. Okay. Well, that was a fucking dud. Anywho. Wait. I don't know. I don't know what it means. Fuck it. Anywho. So next we're gonna head to Red Rock Canyon. So here we are. We are made it to Red Rock Canyon. We have not been noticed yet. Some fucking how. But it's only a matter of time. Oh, there's someone literally right there. Maybe we just blast this house up first. What up, dog? Did you just call me? Did you call me a dirty cock? Here, boys. You don't even know. I'm just fucking almighty hail fucking lead. You got horns, my man. Damn. Papa Khan. Sounds like a fucking rapper. Vilified. But y'all can suck it. This here is my wasteland, and I choose to rule alone. What up, hooker? Can we go in these? No. Alright. Fair enough. Found you. What are you gonna do about it? Oh fuck, that was a little weird. You want a piece of this? You want a piece? Get out of here, mustache. And I can't go in these doors or anything. No, I'm not allowed in the tents. That one's empty. Can't go in that one. I'll take a look across and see. The doors are shut, and I don't. Oh, I see someone there. Should we just jump? Oh! Okay, we almost regretted it. But we didn't. We didn't. We're good. We're good. You don't even care that I slayed all your friends, huh?
I ought to bleed you.
Try it, bitch. Tougher men have tried. Okay. So, next we will hop up. We did these, did we not? South Vegas ruins. No, we did not do that. Oh, you know what I wanted to check out? We went to a Brotherhood of Steel safe house, and I remember editing, and we went inside, we killed the guy, he was the only one in there. What is happening? Oh, ant nectar. I accidentally took ant nectar, sorry. We walked right by this. Yeah. I wonder how many of you were fucking screaming at me for that. Oh, well, it's still fucking empty, so I guess it doesn't really matter, does it? Fuck is that? Tesla cannon. Gatling gun. And the guy challenged me with what? A fucking laser rifle? What did you attack? A 10mm pistol. You had a Tesla cannon. You idiota. Okay. We finished that. Chances map, side and gas station. I want to check that out. New Vegas Steel, we definitely did that. And I think we did Vault 3. Since it's Sarsaparilla headquarters. Okay, well, fuck. Let's just go up to Red Rock Drug Lab. There we are. They don't know who I am, I guess. They're gonna learn today. Don't worry, I got lots of ammo. Doink, doink, doink. A little bit of overkill. Tight. This whole fucking playthrough is overkill, honestly. Okay, so let's you see, we did the El Rey, and then we probably did all that too. So, oh boy, Jacobstown, Charleston Cave. Let's Sharecropper Farm. We did that. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Okay, let's hit all of these, and then we'll work our way left. We'll finish up here, and then we'll hit New Vegas. So let's go to the Sunset Sarsaparilla headquarters. There we are. I don't remember if there's a whole lot here, to be honest. I really can't remember. I see nothing on the radar. Might just be bots, maybe. I don't know. I'll go a little bit in. If there's nothing, then I'm out of here. There's one bot. Now we're cooking. We're getting somewhere. Shredded. Damn. Might be my favorite gun so far. Kind of needs a sight on it. That's it? Okay, well, honestly, I'm gonna say fuck it. Uh-oh. We crashed! Okay, where are we? Good, it saved us right where we left off. Awesome. Okay, so let's, so how far can we go here? It's the strip. So cistern. Horn. Miguel's pawn shop. I'm assuming this is all part of Monte Carlo Suites. And that's like over here. Okay. Let's we're gonna check out Monte Carlo Suites. But I don't know if it's in New Vegas. If it is, we're just gonna dip. Okay, so we made it. Oh, they instantly don't like me. Well, you know what? I don't give a fuck. You're part of the Scorpions gang. So we got Jackal gang, Scorpion gang, and what's the other gang? I don't remember what stupid fucking name they had. What the fuck are you running to? Dude, I got mad ammo. Ripper. Fuck out of here. Sorry, boys. You're not making it through this one. Oh. You're not gonna challenge me, boy? That's right. You're smart for that. But you're not fast. So it doesn't matter how smart you are. Because you're dead. Alright, were there stairs? I didn't even see in the slaughter. Ooh, you don't say. Okay, that was nothing. That was it, eh? All right, we got. What were we doing? Unarmed. All right, continue. Intensive training, done. We're gonna do strength to 10. Finish that up. Done. We're gonna get the fuck out of here. We're gonna find somewhere else to go. So I don't. West side, south entrance. That's Vegas over there. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and hit these. South Cistern, H&H Tool Factory, North Vegas Square, the Strip North Gate. Okay, so I'm gonna say that these are all gonna be kind of off limits here, but I'm gonna head here to the Thorn and see what that's about. Okay, so here we are. I don't think it's a part of Vegas. Look, we didn't go inside. Like, it's over there. I mean, I think this is all fucking free game here. Sorry, lady.
You dirty. You
Poor
dirty
thing.
coward.
The hell were you doing? Alright, where'd this lady run off to? She literally could have went anywhere. Gone. Well, I guess we can't win them all unless she went into one of these fucking things, but I very much doubt that. It's alright, we got plenty to do in here. Oh. Well, you should know surrender is not an option. Alright, let's check out in here. The west side. Not free side. West side. You poor thing. You thought you had a chance. Yeah, this thing's fucking accurate. There's a lot of fucking people in here. But it seems like most of them are just fucking junkies and shit.
Die for that!
Whoa! Big boy! Mean son of a bitch. Love it. There we go. Woo-wee. Get some of these fucking scared bitches. There's so many of them. I don't think we're gonna be able to get all of them. Does West Side connect to Free Side in any way? If so, that sucks because we're jumping the gun. Holy fuck, you got a lot of health for an old man. Where you going, motherfucker? Okay. We got a couple more guys here. Yeah, I see you over there.
You like that?
Moiterer! You're moitering these guys! Why you moitering us, man? There was someone standing outside of here. Got some Madrid apartments. Nighty night.
Done.
What have you done, you son of a bitch? Where are these motherfuckers at? Upstairs? Oh yeah, fuck.
I know.
You thought, didn't you? Oh, you did not like that, huh, lady? Sound old as shit. Whoa! Night night, sweet. There we go. Mod. Is that everyone? Seems like it. They all kind of came to me. We got lucky there. Okay, so we got a building here. Sorry, bud. Etienne. You're the only one here, Etienne? Alright, peace out. Alright, so we got the... That's closed. Never mind. Oh, it's a child. Sorry, child. Didn't mean to stick any lead in you. Put any lead in you. Yeah, no, I can't really do anything to him. That might be all there is to do here. Where's the pawn shop? That's the only place that I'm missing, and I think it's here. Let me look. Miguel's pawn shop. Yeah. Hang on, let me put a marker on it. Okay, so we're looking like over. Oh wait, here we go. You knew what's up. You didn't just take it like the other guy. The other guy just accepted his fate. Where are we fucking going here? This way. Raoul's pawn shop. Where are you, Raoul? Motherfucking Raoul and his fucking pawn shop. Oh. It's not through here, is it? Unless it just leads out. So is his pawn shop like not in this area? Oh yeah, we came out the backside or something. There we go. We're not no, I don't think so. I don't think we're in Freeside. But it would not surprise me if we were, if somehow it just slipped in. There we go. That may or may not be a child. That is not a child. Okay. I'm just gonna fast travel there because I don't know where the fuck this fucking pawn shop is, to be honest. I found it. Raoul? Miguel. Wait. Have I just been saying Raoul this whole time, but it was Miguel? That's not a fucking door there, bud. It is Miguel's pawn shop. Where the fuck did I get Raoul from? Okay, so that's just an entrance. Alright, so let's go up here to the northern passage and then we'll start heading left and we can hit all this other shit. I think we're just trying to get everything like here and then that's it. So actually we have to stop here. We're at 22 minutes. Okay, so when we come back we're gonna go to the northern passage and we're gonna start clearing out those other spaces before the grand finale. But until we come back, like, subscribe, stay safe, and thank you for watching. And as always, I will catch you in the next episode.